Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to talk about how to create an event with the help of Wix's AI. But a little heads up before moving on, just because you can create an event with AI doesn't mean there's no more work for you to do. Wix's AI will be there to assist you, making things easy for you, but you'll also be doing the inputs in order for the AI to know what kind of event you're holding and all those other important event information that must be included. So with that out of the way, let's learn how to do it. First, go to the Pages and Menu button on your Wix site's editor. Next, go to Event Pages and click on Events. Now we will be redirected to the Events page on our Wix editor. And so here we are. We can close this panel now and click on our Events section and then click on Manage Event. A new dashboard window will appear. Now over here is where we can actually add a new event. By the way, we have already previously talked about how you can create an event in Wix without the help of an AI, so make sure to check it out. In this video, we're going to be learning how to create an event with the help of an AI. So let's learn how to do it. So what we need to do is to click on this Create an Event with AI button. A side panel over here on the right will appear, and a chat session with Wix's AI assistant will begin. Basically, the first thing that it's going to ask us is what kind of event we're creating. Is it a ticketed event or is it an RSVP event? We've created a ticketed event in the previous video, so why don't we try RSVP event right now? Let's click on Use. Next, Wix's AI assistant will ask us what we'd like to name our event. You can input that here, or if you can't think of any, you can ask the Wix AI assistant to suggest some names for you. But in our case, we're just going to be creating a really simple example. Let's say a reservation event for a wedding. So let's put that over here. Let's put the name of our event over here. Now, Wix will ask you what date you're considering for the event. Input that here on the chat box. By the way, if Wix is going to ask you whether your event is a one-time event or a recurring event, make sure that you indicate that as well. Anyway, the next thing that Wix AI Assistant is asking us is the place or the location of the event. So input that there too. So actually, we just input a sample address over there, but make sure that the address of the event location is accurate or correct for you. In this case, this is just for demonstration purposes. Now, Wix's AI assistant will actually ask you to input a description for your event. However, if you can't think of any, just type in create a description on the chat box and then hit send, and Wix's AI assistant will create a description for you. Actually, it's going to give you 3 sample descriptions that you can choose from, such as in this case. Sometimes it automatically does so, but sometimes it doesn't. So if it doesn't, just type in create a description and it'll create descriptions for you. In our case, we're just going to select one over here that we like. So let's use this one for example. And now here's our event that Wix AI Assistant helped us to create. And now our event draft is ready. You can now add your personal touch to the event details by clicking on this edit button right here. Clicking on it will take us to a different page where we can continue working on it. So if you wish to continue working on it and input much more details, click on Edit Details over here. Next, review the event details and add more information if necessary. And once you're done, click on Save over here. Now to go over your guest registration settings, ticket limits, emails you send, and more, click on Review Settings over here. And here are the things you can do. You can tweak the registration settings. Here you can edit things like guests can register on Wix event registration page, registration status open after publishing the event, set the guest limit, who can RSVP to this event, all site visitors. So if you wish to edit these information right here, click on Edit and customize it or edit it accordingly. Next, we also have the registration form section. Guests can RSVP no, so this is turned off. Registration form fields, 3 fields: first name, last name, and email. If you wish to edit these things, click on Edit as well. The next section is about registration messages. So here you can set your thank you message, and you can also set registration closed message. If you wish to edit these, just click on Edit respectively. You can also edit your event policies, emails you receive, and emails you send to event guests. Now here on the Guest tab, here on the Guest tab is where you can check in your guests, view their info, add or remove them from the event. Once all these things have been set up and reviewed, then it's ready to be published. So go ahead and click on Publish. And basically, that's all for today. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching.